For this final training video for One-Click Video Site Builder, I want to talk to you about using this plugin for publishing your own videos on your website. This would be directly from your own YouTube channel. This is something that may commonly be used by internet marketers that put out various types of videos. It really doesn't matter what it is that you're trying to sell, your own products or even products as an affiliate. If you're creating videos and putting them up on YouTube, then you can easily utilize this plugin to be able to load all those videos up onto your own website as well. Now with the Pro version of this plugin, you can certainly use the Channel Spy feature to take care of this for you and to automatically monitor your channel in the future to make sure everything is getting published from there. However, if you're not using the Pro version, if you just have the basic version of this, you can actually still achieve basically the same effect with it by having it automatically schedule your posts for you and leaving the search feature blank and simply putting in your YouTube channel. So for example, if I go in like this and put in my current YouTube channel, you can either do the end piece of your URL for your channel, or you can actually do the entire YouTube URL to get to your channel. Either one of those will work in this box here. To begin with, you likely have some videos already there on that channel, unless it is something that you have just gotten started with. Because of this, you're likely going to want to go ahead and get all of those videos published on your site. So if you're going to be publishing everything all at once, you could select Publish All Posts Immediately, and then it really won't matter what the other settings are here. The fetch amount is going to determine what's actually going to be put up there. So depending on how many videos you think you have, if you think you have 100 or 200 videos or something like that, you may need to put that number in here to be able to get it to generate everything. If you're dealing with an obscene number of them, consider doing the scheduling. You can even set it for a pretty high limit, 30 posts per week, even 100 posts per week if you wanted to, if you had, say, thousands of videos that you needed to be able to get posted on this website. Once you have all of these posts set up and running on your site, in theory, you could set this up as the most recent videos and then simply have it schedule a new post every week or potentially 7 posts per week, just kind of depending on what the frequency is that you release new videos. Personally, I might put maybe 1 a week or something like that on YouTube, so I could schedule the new post to come out 1 per week and simply click on Generate Video Post, and this will automatically take care of some of my future postings for me too. The main difference though between the Channel Spy and using this option here is that this option is likely not going to be able to go into the future. When you're scheduling these posts to happen, it's really going to be looking at the videos that are currently on your channel. So you would need to revisit this page every so often and schedule new posts to get published. That again would be best done by sorting them by the most recent videos. That way you get the recent stuff, however many videos you've posted since the last time you were here. If you had posted 5 new videos or something like that, you select the most recent, you put this on Fetch 5 videos and click on Generate Video Post. Now the other part of what I wanted to talk to you about in this video has to do with generating sales from this plugin again. If you have not already watched the video, I would highly recommend watching my previous video that is more geared towards Amazon affiliates using this plugin. Even if you are not an Amazon affiliate yourself, I really think that particular video could be quite useful for you, because a lot of the strategies that I recommend in terms of using these video posts to link up to other pages of your site to help boost their search rankings, using those pages to link up to pages where you might be selling something at. You can have, if you're selling your own products, you might have certain pages set up on your website that are sales pages. You can direct people from these video posts straight over to those sales pages with simple links in them. I wanted to mention, though, one final option, and this is something that I haven't talked about in any of my videos so far, and that is the post template that is actually going to be used. Now, there's only one of these that is set up by default, and that's going to give you the video shown at the top, and then following the description will come after that video. If you happen to want to change that around at all, if you go to monetization templates, you can either edit the default template or you can create a new template to put into this system. So I could, just as an example, I could call one of these reverse. Let's say I was going to put in a pretty decent amount of effort to customize these descriptions to make them unique content. And maybe I wanted the video to actually be showing up down below that description on my page. I can simply switch these around here as a template and then add this into the system. Then in the future, when I'm going through and creating video posts, I can simply choose which template I want to use to post those videos to my site. Now, you could certainly get more complicated with these templates if you wanted to. If you're familiar with HTML and CSS designing, you could definitely add your own coding to go with this information to create some kind of unique design that's really going to make this information stand out. For the average user, though, if you have zero experience whatsoever with doing HTML, your focus is really going to be more on how do you get the traffic from these video pages to other pages on your website, or ultimately to accomplish the end goal that you are after. Whatever that end goal may be, selling your own product, selling a product as an affiliate, generating email leads, if it's the same exact goal throughout every single video post that you're going to end up creating. Let's say you want to link every video post you're going to create to one specific page on your website, because maybe that's the site that's trying to sell something or the site that is being used to generate email leads, whatever the case may be. You can simply build that information directly into one of these templates. Let's say I wanted to utilize this to help me to refer sales on a particular product that I sell, maybe an Amazon affiliate training course. I could simply put down at the bottom of all of this information some simple kind of a lead-in that would be a clickable link. So just for example here, I put some kind of a simple sentence. Let me teach you everything I've learned as a decade as an Amazon affiliate. Just click here to get started. And then I can simply turn this whole sentence, or even just part of this sentence perhaps, into a clickable link. I just put insert edit link here, and I can send them along to a certain page on my website, or potentially to even a completely different website if I wanted to. Now, once I have set this up, every single video that I create using this particular template, it's now going to not only include the video information, but it'll go ahead and tag that extra link or whatever it is. I could even put a full advertisement here or an email newsletter sign up box right here. It doesn't really matter what it is that you're trying to achieve. You can do that with this particular plugin, and you can have it built into these video pages, so you don't have to go through every single time you create a video page and edit it and add these things back in yourself. If you are going to be utilizing this particular plugin to generate video posts from your own videos that you've created off of YouTube, you may not have to put as much of a focus into customizing all of the content for those videos, the title and the description in particular. It can still be useful to help you do that. However, you can essentially claim ownership of that content. And so personally, I will publish something like that on my own website, possibly unedited whatsoever. So this is something you might be able to automate if you are utilizing your own videos with it. However, you can certainly make these video posts more powerful, even if they are your own videos, by going into them individually and still adding some kind of unique text content to each of those video posts. Just simply putting in an extra 100, 200 words worth of unique content that's geared towards what that video is about will go a long way in helping you to boost your search engine rankings and even to gain some new rankings from these video posts that you'll be creating.